Okay, and here's the second High Sierra boot. The first time I tried to install this, it did install, and it took it about 5 minutes to install onto an APFS drive, number one, a 500 gigabyte drive. And then it shut down and reboot, and now it came back up and it's doing a second install pass. So interestingly enough, El Capitan will do it in one 18-minute pass, and High Sierra will do it in two passes, and I'm able to install onto an APFS partition. So, okay, I'm going to wait 14 minutes here, and the real objective here is to just install Mojave on this thing, on this old 2010 Mac Pro. I might need a new graphics card. This one has a GPU, but it's supposed to work, but who knows. So I've had to go from El Capitan to High Sierra with a firmware update, and I first did the firmware update using El Capitan to put the 5.1 firmware update in that High Sierra needs, and now High Sierra is installing itself. So we'll see if Mojave will go on this thing. I have Mojave on a little installer, USB installer here that I used DOS Dude's patcher to download the whole image, and I'll try and put it on with this. And I think this requires another firmware update, so maybe I'll do that firmware update from the High Sierra screen when this thing's done. Okay, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Maybe we will get Mojave running on this thing yet. Just in time for Catalina, right? Okay, take care. Have a great day.